In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects/visuals Power BI. Grouping helps you keep related visuals together so you can move, align, and manage them as a single unit. It's a simple technique that makes dashboards cleaner and edits faster, especially when you're working with multiple charts, shapes, images, or text boxes that belong together. Start by opening the selection pane. Head up to the View tab along the top ribbon and choose Selection. This reveals a panel that lists every visual on your current page. If you have a busy canvas or overlapping items, this pane is incredibly helpful because it lets you pick visuals precisely by name, rather than trying to click through layers on the canvas. If the selection pane is already open, you're good to go. Next, hold the Control key and select the visuals you want to group. You can do this in one of two ways. Either click their names directly from the selection pane list, or click them on the canvas itself while keeping Control pressed. The key is to keep Control held down, so each click adds to your selection rather than replacing it. Take a moment to confirm you've got everything you need highlighted. Charts, titles, buttons, shapes, whatever you want to move as one. If the visuals are stacked or very close together, selecting them from the selection pane is often more reliable and avoids accidentally grabbing the wrong item. Once all the right visuals are selected, right-click on the selection and choose Group. You can right-click either on the canvas or from the selection pane. After you group, you'll notice a single bounding box around the items, and in the selection pane, you'll see them nested under a group entry. From now on, when you drag or resize, you're working with the entire group, which helps keep spacing and alignment consistent. Grouping doesn't change your data or formatting, it simply links the visuals together so they stay organized. And there you go. That's all it takes. Open the selection pane from the View tab, hold Control to select each visual you want, then right-click and choose Group. Use this whenever you want to keep layouts tidy, maintain consistent spacing, or move a set of visuals without losing their arrangement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you build cleaner, more manageable Power BI reports in less time.